So guys, there it is. Welcome back. This is my first Samsung Galaxy Note device. I'm really very excited to try that device. I always wanted to have a Note device, since the Note 7. I was so impressed with the device, but I just ordered that and it was just got cancelled. I got the ribbon back. I waited for the Note 8 somehow, like that. But now this time not. I finally gave my S9 Plus to my wife. She's using that, and now I have the Galaxy Note 9. This is the biggest device. Now it's just not me who's saying that, confidently. This is the best Android device. If you got money, if you got $1,000, definitely go and get the Galaxy Note 9. The Galaxy S9 Plus is good, it was fine. It's a big device, but somehow it is not the flat device. You're not going to see actual space more on that. But the Galaxy Note 9, is a productivity device. This time it is having the new stylus on it, having the Bluetooth connectivity of charging kind of stuff, and also the base variant is 128GB. That is just super too much, because I love to do a lot of filming with the Galaxy device. They film super crispy videos. The 4K 60 frames per second takes a lot of storage. If you just try to film 5 minutes of 4K 60 frames per second video, it's gonna take at least 4GB of storage. So 64GB was kind of low on the S9 Plus. So anyway guys, let's get started and do this unboxing. And yep, if you're going to get the device, stay tuned. I'm going to show you a lot of cases for that, because this is a device you should really protect that. And I went with this coral blue edition color, the same has S9 Plus. And yep, by the way, if you're interested to see the durability test like the way I'm showing you, like all the phones. So since this is my personal phone, I'm still using this OnePlus 6. So it is a great device. I just don't like to use it as a personal device. So currently I have Pixel 2 XL. Now I'm just going to be Note 9. But if you're interested to see the drop test and scratch test, pen test, like the way I'm showing you guys cracking the phone, so just let me know in the comment. I will see if there are so many responses. I will definitely try to sacrifice this one and see how durable is the Galaxy Note 9. So guys, let's get inside and see the Galaxy Note 9, how it looks like. So there you go, time to cut the device. So this one is actually 6GB RAM variant. I haven't went with the 8 one because that is just too much expensive. Maybe the next year I will try to have that one. 4000 mAh battery, super great to have that thing. Wireless charging, all the cool stuff you will get on this device. So time to cut it. Let's see the device. So this is actually the blue variant. So this is the, earlier I thought to go with the different color, but this stylus is actually super great. This white yellow in color. So that's the device. I guess it should be flipping open in the same way like you have with the Galaxy S9 Plus. Got the C division. So this is actually Exynos. So India, you will be getting this Exynos variant. So that's your Galaxy Note 9. What we have inside, same way you will get this SIM ejection tool, and I guess you're gonna have a basic case too. This is the basic case that you will get, and some warranty work, paperwork. You have a SIM tray here. So this is your monstrous device. Wow, super excited. But by the way, I have really big hands, so I got no problem with that. You can see my fingers are resting properly here. So but the canvas is just so huge. So this is actually the perfect position. On the S9 Plus, I got to stretch a little bit the downside, but here it is just super fine. And you get your stylus. It's just the first time I'm going to open a stylus on a smartphone. Wow, this is how it comes. So super sexy. I need to actually explore what you can do with that, what you cannot do with that. And as a basic, you'll be getting a dongle. This is a converter if you are moving from the S9 Plus or any other older device. This should be the micro USB Type-C, and here it is USB. You can easily transfer your data with that. And this one is the fast charger. You have to use the same cable with the Samsung wireless charger this time. So with the S8 last year, last year they actually gave this one, but now this year, this is your AKG tuned headphones, USB Type-C cable. Keep those things out. And this is your headphone. You got some extra, and what is that actually? Oh, you get this thing, some extra stuff for your stylus. So time to take out the stuff that we have. This is your extra protector on the screen side. Here we go. So that's your beautiful shiny Galaxy Note 9. So setup intelligent scan is going to use both the face and the iris together. So this is a slightly slow, if you use this option, but still, let's see. It's trying to read the data. Done. Now iris time. So I'm actually 1.5 feet, or you can say 2 feet far from here. So still it took all the stuff very cool. So that is your glory Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The best display as of now you can get right now. So this is great. I mean, I can easily see. I haven't set up my fingerprint sensor, but let's see. Yeah, that's super cool, super quick. It unlocks fine. So let's see how much storage do you get actually inside that. So I'm go inside the setting. This is storage section. Let's see how much storage do you get. So around 20 gigabytes is consumed, and you have the too much space. 10 gigabytes storage is available. So yeah, that's the pen. Let's try out the pen. This is the first time I'm going to write with the pen. So it actually make a clicky sound. See, you can play around with that. You feel a vibration when you take that thing out, and actually it is super light, see. So you can perfectly work with that. You do have many commands here. Live message translate. So create note, the smart select screen write, or if the phone is locked, and if I just take my pen out, I think I can write down some memo. That's super cool. You can actually write and save it, save in notes. It's gonna save in notes. So there it is, guys. That is your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Nothing too much to show you here. Everything is same like you get on the S9 plus the camera, and display size is slightly bigger, 6.4 inches now, and but you have the S Pen, obviously. That's again great. So it feels great. Everything is just super cool. You got this usual iris scanner. So stay tuned for so many future videos for the Galaxy Note 9, and I'm going to show you guys a lot of cool accessories like I mentioned here. So thanks for watching, guys. That's the Galaxy Note 9. Have a great day.